So today we're just going to do a couple more examples. Make sure we've got all those steps down. I want you to remember that you are not always going to get a nice, pretty number answer. It is okay to get decimals and or fractions. So someone tell me, what's our first step always? Multiply. What am I multiplying? The -2. Good. -2 times 3x is? -6x. A -2 times 5 is? -10. Good job on the signs. Do we need to collect like terms? Nope. Do we need to move our letters to one side? Nope. Constant. What's my constant? It's the one without the letter. What's the constant? The 10, and it's a negative. So how do we move it to the other side of the equals? We're going to do the inverse or the opposite. We're going to add 10. Bring down, make sure you bring down that negative with your 6 equals 23. And last step, move your coefficient by doing what? Division. We're going to divide by a -6. Now, when you put this in your calculator, it is going to leave it a fraction. If you put a decimal on it, it will put a decimal. It's kind of ugly. This is a situation where I would just leave my answer a fraction. This is kind of an ugly decimal. It's repeating. Okay? So it is okay to leave your answer as a fraction. Notice my negative is in the bottom. Guys, you can put, as long as one of them has a negative, you're good. You can put the negative in the top. You can put it in the middle. It can be in the bottom. All of these mean the same thing. Okay? Here's the next one. Go through the steps. That's why you have a checklist. Do we need to distribute? Do we have any parentheses? No. Do we need to collect like terms? Do we have matching on the same side? No. Do we have letters on the same side? Or different sides, excuse me. Yeah. Yes. Try to move the smaller. Which one is smaller? The 4. We're going to make it a what? If I want to move it over here to the left, would make it a negative so that we get 0 on the right-hand side. So we have 10x minus 5 equals 30. Now it's a 7th grade problem. Move your constant. What's the constant? -5. Good. And we're going to move it by doing what? We're going to plus or add 5. 10x equals 35. Last step. Divide. Always divide by the number in front of the letter, that coefficient. Let's put that in our calculator. Without a decimal, what do we get if we put this in the calculator without a decimal?
Fraction.
A fraction of 7/2. Now, if you put it in there with a decimal, it's going to give you a decimal answer of 3.5. Will I take either of these answers? Yes, I will. And so, again, steps. Distribute, yes or no? No. Collect like terms. Yes. Remember, when we collect like terms, we're just going to do what it says. This says 17x's plus 4x's. We're not inversing anything because we didn't cross the equals. What do we get? 21. Don't forget your x. We do not need to move our letters to the same side. They're already there. Constant. What's your constant? How do we move it? We're going to add 9. 33 and 9 is 42. Last step. Move your coefficient. What are we going to do? Divide by 21. Remember, when we move that coefficient, it's a coefficient because it's next to a letter. So the opposite is divide. That one was a nice, pretty number. Remember, all of these, you can plug that back in for the letter to check it.